Problem solving. In problem solving, first read the problem carefully and then decide what must be done to solve the problem. Let's take a trip across the world. You had $325 with you when you went shopping in Hong Kong, China. You exchanged $150 into Chinese money. You took the subway to go shopping. After shopping and exchanging the money back, they gave you $28 back. How much money did you spend in Hong Kong? Let's solve this problem. You had $325 with you when you went shopping in Hong Kong, China. You exchanged $150 into Chinese money. You took the subway to go shopping. After shopping and exchanging the money back, they gave you $28 back. How much money did you spend in Hong Kong? And so we have a number of figures here. You started with $325. All right, then you went and got your money exchanged, and you exchanged $150. And then over here, they gave you $28 back. After you did your shopping with Chinese currency, you had to take that Chinese money that you had. You don't want to take it back with you to the States. So you give it to them, and they gave you $28 back. Now the question is, now you don't quick just solve this problem and say, well, it's 325 minus 150 minus 28. You got to look at the question. What does the question say? The question asks you, how much money did you spend? This is irrelevant, how much money you started with. It's how much money did you spend? So the question then is, you started with $150 in Chinese money. They gave you $28 back, so you have to deduct $28 from $150. So let's do that. $150, and when you went back there, did your shopping, you gave them back the money that you had left over, and they gave you $28 back. So you have to deduct 28 from 150. You cannot take 8 from 0, so you have to borrow 1 from there, so that will be 8 from 10 now is 2, 2 from 4 is 2, and 1 from 0 is 1, so you spent $122 shopping in Hong Kong, China. The Boeing Superjet 747 can have one configuration seating 416 passengers or one seating 524 passengers. How many more passengers can the jet hold with the largest seating capacity? Let's look at this problem. The Boeing Superjet 747 has 2 seating configurations. Either 416 passengers you can get the plane in, or 524 passengers. And that's a large plane to seat so many passengers. The question is, how many more passengers can the jet hold with the largest seating capacity? So we have to deduct 416 from 524. So 524 minus 416. Now we cannot take 6 from 4, so if they borrow from the 2, make that a 1. 6 from 14 equals 8. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 4 from 5 equals 1. So the jet, the same jet, but with different seating arrangements, the larger capacity, they can hold 108 more passengers.
Please pause the video now and complete the problems in your workbook. When finished, press play, and we'll continue with the next lesson.